Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Guess what we have today? You saw in the thumbnail, but this is your hint. It's a Barbie bundle! Oh my gosh, everything is Barbie right now. I'm so loving the pink moment we are having. Hi guys, my name is Emily. Welcome to my channel. Smile, there's wine. Today there is a lovely Chardonnay. I am excited because I get to open a box of clothing and I believe everything in here is pink. Yes, I asked my stylist. I was like, oh my gosh, this new Barbie movie, all these Barbie trends, send me a Barbie box. So excited to jump in and see what she sent me today. Welcome, cheers, hang out. So what is going on, guys? Okay, with a lot of, I'll rip this off. A lot of exciting things happening here. Let's see, school's about to start, right? Some of you maybe have already sent your kids off, or maybe you're a teacher as well. Yeah, so in my mind, there's just like so much happening because, yeah, it's that time of year where it's like, I need to know what I'm doing, turn off my summer brain, turn on my teacher brain, which is somewhere around here. It went away. It always does. It tends to come back, hopefully. But then also my kids are starting school. My daughter is starting junior high. And you guys, this is like an umbilical cord that is finally being cut for me because my kids have always gone to school with me. They've gone to elementary school with me. So as the rest of you are sending your little baby kindergartners off and you're like, oh my gosh, my baby, I don't know what's happening. I never had to do that. My kids have gone to school with me this whole time. So it's like I knew about all the pep rallies. I knew about all the events. I knew about picture. Like I just knew everything in my school. I knew there were teachers, right? And literally sending her off to junior high, I'm just like, what? Who is this? What's happening? Like, oh my gosh, I'm dying. But it's a good thing. It needs to happen, right? I'm going to be okay. You guys have all done it like kindergarten, so I can handle it as a daughter with a sixth grader. But those hormones, let's not talk about that. And then also, it's my birthday month. Yay. So exciting. Oh my gosh, you guys, this bundle is so cute. It's kind of falling out. I want to put it together so that you can see this moment that we are about to have. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, this is quite the Barbie bundle. It is a pink moment. Let me just put this tag in here so we can really check out what's happening because, you know, the bundle is like my favorite part. So we have like some floral pink action, solid pink, polka dot pink. This is pink, although it's muted. And then this little pink number. Oh my goodness. Look at all the variations of pink there. Super cute. Okay, well, let's read the note. I was gonna say, let's jump into it, but I was forgetting things. If you haven't done Stitch Fix, oh my gosh, you guys, they are nailing it lately. They have been amazing. I don't know if it's just because I have the best stylist in the world. It took me years to find her, but cheers to my stylist, Nicole. She's got me like, she's got my credit card too. But it's a good thing, right? Like, now I don't have to go shopping. It's awesome. I love shopping, but I also, you know, it's like the pain. Okay, so if you haven't done Stitch Fix, I'm going to provide a referral link below. Check it out. Do it for yourself. It's awesome. I just can't speak highly enough of it. If you do it, there'll be a referral link. It will save you some money. It will also save me some money, so thank you if you choose to do that. But also ask around. Maybe some of your friends are, you know, do Stitch Fix. Okay, let's see what my friend Nicole has to say. I'm going to take a look.
Happy 60th Fix. Not only just that, but I also realized that we've been styling partners for over a year now. How cool is that? There's definitely no better way to celebrate that awesomeness than with an all-pink Barbie box. Woo-woo! I recently saw the movie myself as well, and it was super fun. Jumping right in with the darling scalloped dress that you grabbed from the preview. It's definitely the perfect little evening dress to enjoy throughout the rest of the season. What do you think about the print? Also, to go along with the blush denim skirt, I couldn't resist pulling this adorable lacerie flutter sleeve blouse. Do a front tuck and you'll be all set for the fun weekend out with the girls. Also, since you've enjoyed tie details in the past, I can't wait to hear your thoughts on this lush wrap blouse. See you next time, Nicole.
Hey, this looks very promising. Dangerous, another dangerous. We do pricing at the end because even when I go to a restaurant, I'm like, this looks good. And then I'm like looking at the price. Of course, most expensive thing on the menu. Okay, find a different choice. This looks good. Oh, second most expensive. Guess I just have expensive taste. All right, this first one. Okay, it is very hot here still in August, but this is so cute. Look at this little pink cropped knit sweater. It's so bubblegum pink. It's kind of a Chanel-y feel. So soft. So cute. Little V-neck, working buttons. Love, love. And this is by Love Ellie. Cute. Okay. I might have to pull out some solids to go with some of these things too. I was really excited about this skirt. I know it's not really picking up pink on camera, but it is this like blush muted pink. I think it's really cute. Just black denim. You know, and I don't have a little pink skirt like this, and this could work well for work. So we will check that out and try that on. Okay, this little number. Polka dots, scallops, spaghetti straps, coming down, pockets, little dress. Yes, it is a little number, isn't it? It's cute though. Little ruching in the back. I kind of love the little polka dot moment happening. So cute. Little white polka dots. All right, fun. And this is by 41 Hawthorne. Love all these pink colors. Next is by Lush. And this is, I tried to find the most pink. Mine looks like a neon pink, but this is a really pretty kind of a cranberry pink. And it has like a little side wrap. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but we'll see. Love the flutter sleeves. And I like this material. It's kind of that like gauzy, cottony situation happening. A little button there. Fun, fun. And last but not least is a little floral moment by La Sarine. Cute with the little pop of orange flutter sleeves. These little tops are so great for work. It has like these little strings here up at the top. V-neck, kind of loose. And she said to pair this with the skirt. So we'll do that. We'll make some outfits. Let's check it out. Okay, here I am with this first little top. I like it. It's cute. I'm not sure if I'm in love with it. Let me get a little bit closer for you guys. So what I do like about it is I like the material. This is the little top by Lush. I do really like these little flutter sleeves. I think they're very cute. I like the V-neck. The weird thing, I don't know, something about the tie is very much kind of giving me like maternity vibes or nursing vibes, you know, where you always kind of needed a top with easy access. And then there is kind of a lot more material kind of over here. So I was trying to like pull it. I don't know if it's just more for like a busty gal. I was trying to pull it, but then it kind of made the bow go up. So, you know, I like the color. Obviously it's pink, it's cute. I like that it's flattering around the tummy area, but I don't know, it's not something that I'm super in love with. So let's jump into the next thing. Okay, here is this next little piece, and this is so cute. My daughter would like love to have this. It's just so young, right? It's cropped, that's why she'd like it. She's so funny. Anything to get away with showing her stomach. I'm like, girl, I know you got it, but you need to put it away. I like the balloon sleeves. I love how the long length of the sleeves are. It's super nice and cozy. I like the color, obviously. I wore it with a shirt underneath, kind of more like a cardigan, and it just seemed a little too short and boxy for that. I think it's cute. It's just a little too short. If it could be just a tiny bit longer, I just know, you know, I'm going to wear it. I'm going to raise my hands up and write something on the board or something, and it's just not going to make me feel confident. I do know and I do like that even though it's knit, you cannot see the bra through it. So it's nice and covered. It's a good knit, you know, there's not like a bunch of holes in it. So super cute. Probably gonna pass on this one, unfortunately. Plus it's so hot, I can't even keep this on. I have to get out of it. Ah! Okay, here I am with these two little pieces. So cute. This little kind of blushy pink skirt and this little blouse here. I think they're both very cute. So let's go ahead and take a look at the top first. It has like, you know, this little string action happening here. Nice little V-neck. The print is fun. I like the little flutter sleeves. And the skirt by Just Black Denim is fabulous. The problem is, you guys are like, ooh, we know there's a problem. Oh, I like the pockets on the back. That's cute. I always forget that this color with my skin tone makes me look naked. And I don't know. I always like blush pink, but I forget that a lot of times it's just too similar to my skin tone color. So I don't know. I think this is a cute little combination though. Perfect little teacher outfit, right? And I like that it's not just a jean skirt. I feel like we have, you know, the jean skirt situation that's always happening, but I don't know. Okay, so we're kind of getting a lot of misses right now. Maybe I'm just picky, but I can be picky because I've had so many 5 out of 5s lately. It's ridiculous. There's a dress, so let's try out the dress. Okay, here is this adorable little number with pockets. Hello. This is so cute. I love it. It needs a little bit of a pressing or steaming, but I think the length is very nice. It's appropriate length. It has pockets. It fits really nicely here. The scallops are cute here, and I don't know if you can pick up on camera, but there's like little scallops on the pockets. So cute. A little bit of ruching in the back. I just kept on my strappy bra, which I think works fine actually. Well, I can see like wearing like a little knit long cardigan, like a summer cardigan with it. I actually really like this dress. It's very Barbie. It's so cute. It's definitely my favorite thing out of all the pieces. So I guess it's just gonna kind of come down to price. You can see the scallop there, how cute. Yeah, it's gonna probably come down to price. And do I need it? No, but I like it. All right, let's jump into pricing. Okay, let's check out these prices. Starting with the Just Black Tatiana denim skirt in blush, $34. Actually, a really good price. What do you guys think about the color and my skin tone? Too close? Or am I crazy? I don't know. You tell me. 41 Hawthorne Beatrice scallop detail dress. This one, $68. I don't know if I can pay $70 for this. It's cute. And $70 would be like a typical, probably like Nordstrom price, right? The fit's really nice. It's super comfy. I just don't know if I need it for $70. La Serene Amelia flutter sleeve blouse in pink, size medium, $44. Then we have the Lush Blair flutter sleeve blouse, pink, size medium, $46. And then the Love Ellie cropped button front cardigan in pink, $46. So the whole box comes to $238. If I decided to keep everything, they'd take off about $60, which means the box would still be about $180. What a great price for 5 pieces of clothing. I just don't think I'm gonna do it. If I were to keep one thing, I always say if you get a box, make sure you keep one thing because they're charging that $20 styling fee. So I would keep this. But I have the Style Pass, which allows me to not have to pay that $20 styling fee. If you're interested in that, you're gonna have to do some research, figure out how to get that. I kind of think I get it because I get a box every month. So you'll have to look into that, but I think it's a deal. So, because in this situation, if it's not perfect, you can send everything back. And I kind of think I'm going to do that. But let me know what you think, you guys. What do you think about the skirt? Too close to the skin tone? What do you think about this cute dress? Too much money? What should I do? I don't know. Let me know. Hope you guys are doing fabulous. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a like. I appreciate you all. Hope you're doing wonderful. Happy August. Good luck to the start of the school year, you moms and teachers and dads out there. And we'll catch you on the next one. Okay, bye.